Time to shred. Time to shred Lerny's health. I have a Blizzard Shot build that is probably the best thing I've ever done. Look. Pure damage. Damage in its purest form. Look at his health bar. Already gone. I'll show the build right after the chamber. This is insane. It shouldn't be able to exist. I think Blizzard Shot is now officially my favorite cast duo. Oh god, I'm losing my casts. And then I got Hermes Flurry cast. I really am hoping I can get the Hermes Legendary, where your cast returns to you automatically. That would slap right now. Look at his health. Look at his health. It doesn't exist anymore. It doesn't exist anymore. Okay, so the basic part of this build is honestly just the Blizzard Shot Duo Boon. That's right here. So, cast moves slowly, piercing foes and firing shards around it. The shards, so normally the flood shot would go like instantly over there, it's like super fast, but now it moves super slow, but it shoots these shards that each deal 20 damage, which when you stack them with like Flurry cast or something, look at how many shards there are. Each of those are doing 20 damage, and it just gets so out of hand. Then just max out flood shot as much as you can. And then overall just get as much Demeter and like Poseidon as you can. Try to get Poseidon's legendary, because that I haven't gotten that. Also aspect of Poseidon, because plus 50% cast damage when you have it maxed out, which is amazing. But if you go right here, you can see one of his legendaries, second wave, with knock away effects. Your boons with knock away effects shove foes multiple times. I'm gonna try to get Typhoon's Fury, or Breaking Wave, and then if I can get this, then these things will be dealing, I think, double damage. If not that, then some other crazy stuff. So let's just try our best. Okay, there's an issue here. I want Lambent Plume, because if I get Lambent Plume, I'll have the necessities for greater recall. But I always go for Evergreen Acorn just to make sure I don't take a Death Defiance. I think that this build is just so overpowered that I should be able to get it. Do I not want? No, I want all of this. These are like the most important things. I want Ravenous Will because I want Demeter's legendary. So let's go for that, because that would be insane. I really need to spend some time figuring out what's wrong with game sounds in my recordings. I'm using Xbox Game Bar, that's probably why. It doesn't sound why it doesn't work. Oh, just watch the shredding amounts of damage, it's so overpowered. I will never get over how much damage that does. Why am I not using it? The core piece of my build, I'm not even using it. I don't want to hit the exploding ones. I'm just gonna do that. Die. Just die. It's not even that hard. Like, there's no way I don't beat the game right now. And if I do, I'll have 10 heat. This is my highest heat weapon. And you see I'm running 9 heat. Which, if you didn't know, your heat during the run shows at the top left. But that means if I beat this, I will have 10 heat, and then I can open the Erebus gates inside of Tartarus. Or not Tartarus. Asphodel. Brain didn't work for a second there. Alright, let's just throw the flood shots. Darn it, I really messed that up. Let's Explode, get the flood shots again. Probably just track them over to this straight area, and then throw a flood shot. Jeez, it's so overpowered. I think this is just the best duo Boon. Other than, like, Stubborn Roots is pretty good. So is Hunting Blades. That's another good cast duo Boon. But this is honestly, in my opinion, I recently found this as trying to finish the duo Boon Prophecy, which I did, and I had to get this, and it was my first time having it today. I got it today, and oh my god, is it overpowered. So if you ever get these two gods, you should aim for a Blizzard Shot, because it is insane. I was hoping for a build with it, and then, you know, it arrived. I had Poseidon's Boon on to get Flood Shot, of course, and then, or not Poseidon's Boon, his keepsake. And then I insanely luckily got Demeter in Tartarus, so it was, and then I just got Flood Shot, or not Flood Shot, Blizzard Shot in, Asphodel, like early Asphodel, which was overpowered, man. I want it to move even slower. That might sound kind of weird, but like I want my cast to move even slower than it already is, because it's getting to its like final area just way too fast, like to the walls. Nope. Oh darn it. Let's just go like that. Oh yeah, because they can just like go around it, and it doesn't work. Please, yes. Okay, I could use that, but I also do want to upgrade. I'm gonna go for Douglas Hammer. Just because my weapon in its own is not doing enough damage, and and that's like just not a good thing in general. You always want your weapon doing at least some of the damage. Unless you're going for like a cast-only challenge, which I've done before. It's actually not that hard. The hardest is probably special only, which I've done before. I did like a cool wheel thing. I spun a bunch of wheels to figure out what keepsake, what companion I was using, everything. Oh, come on! I was stuck in that corner and I thought I could dash out. But the frickin'... darn it. It's unfair. Okay. I'll do Piercing Wave. It's not that bad. Okay. I want Poseidon for my mini-boss, so I'm gonna not take him. R2 class. Okay, now I'm able... Please, Flood Shot. Yes! Let's go! I'm actually so lucky. Alright. Oh, that's a hard decision. So I take her, I will most likely get Winter Harvest. But if I take Patroclus, I will most likely get... Darn it. I'll most likely get the, I will get all my Death Defiances back. Or my one Death Defiance, but I always take that if I'm missing a Death Defiance. I'll have a chance for Demeter, but I'll never have a chance to get my Death Defiance back. Well, I will, but it's pretty rare, so if I have the choice to, like, I'll always get it, then I'll do that. Just skipping the dialogue. Hermes, okay, perfect. Please give me the duo. Well, not duo, legendary. Oh, Fountain Chamber, that's nice. Yes! Actually, let's go! I've never had that one before, and I've been wanting it forever, and I never get it. And I finally got it. Greater Recall. Now look, I'm gonna shoot these things out, they're gonna get lost, and they're instantly gonna return to me. That is the best thing ever. Actually. I never thought a boon could be so good. But really, boons can be so good. Oh, and that means if it ever gets, like, stuck on the outside, it'll just instantly come back to me. Because I don't know if anybody's ever experienced that. I mean, I saw very, very sad one of the world record speedruns about to be finished, and then he lost all his casts in the in the Hades chamber. He lost all his casts outside the border, and he was running Beowulf. So there was literally nothing he could have done. He would have had to wait. He just died. He just killed himself. But that would have sucked if that ever happened to me. But now it won't happen to me because I have greater recall. I've been wanting greater recall on a hero bow. If I was doing a hero bow and I got greater recall, that would be really overpowered. Alright, do I have any? No. Obviously more palms. Please, God dear in heaven, give me, yeah, I'm speaking. Floodshot. Give me the opportunity to upgrade my Floodshot, or I will actually cry. I will actually cry. Alright, come on. If I use another Death Defiance right after I got it back, that would have been a waste of Patroclus. Actually, it wouldn't have, because then I would have been missing 2 Death Defiances. But please, 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 because I think I'm about to get a Karen shot, and I need. If he doesn't give me food, I will actually be so mad. Hopefully, at least Demeter with it, so that I'll have a chance to get Nourished Soul, so I can at least heal a little bit. Oh no, they're impervious. Oh god, no, 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 no. And I have all 4 of them. Eat it. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, why was that encrypted? Yes! I'm actually so lucky. I already have a level 6. My highest level I ever had was like 10, which isn't honestly that good. Okay, let's see, do we have... Okay, let's go! Every time, man. I'm way too lucky. Wait, do I not have Ambrosia on this? Yeah, okay. So, Demeter. I have things for this. Nourished Soul I still don't have, which is good, so I can heal if I really need to. If I even get it. Second wave. I need Typhoon's Fury or Breaking Wave. It's a pain. I'm gonna need 2 Poseidon Boons in sticks, and it's rare to get your starting boon, like whichever god you get first, it's rarer to get that god in sticks. So there's a low chance I'll even get it. But I have faith. I have faith in my soul, in my heart. Oh god, no, Zeus, why do you have to be so mean? Why do you have to be so mean? I'm just gonna target Theseus. Die, Theseus. Die, Theseus. Let's go. Okay, now my life will be so much easier. I can use my greater call. Alright, he's dead. Thank god. Alright, real quick tip. Artemis and Aphrodite calls are the best for bosses. Like, they suck in every other chamber, but for bosses, they just devour health. Artemis fires 10 shots that, like, here. Let me go to Codex real quick. First of all, Aphrodite's call. 2,500 damage when you max it out. That's a summon of Meg, but it automatically targets. There's no way it misses. Artemis 8. Each arrow is going to do 100 damage. Epic is 175 damage. The max gauge bonus is 10 arrows fired. These have 35% critical chance, so it just deals crazy damage all because of mostly just the critical chance. It's like it's so hard to even perceive how overpowered this is. Okay. I could do a bit of a gamble here. I could take Mom Keepsake, but it's already 5 encounters, which is the entirety of sticks. I have to do almost every chamber, and I might not even I'm probably not gonna level up Floodshot because like look at all these boons I have. There's no way. So I'm not gonna take that. I could take Lucky Tooth. That might be helpful. I could have 52 life total. I have enough life. I'll be fine. Evergreen Acorn. I could take Evergreen Acorn. That wouldn't be that bad, honestly. Because I usually take damage from Hades, and he's just gonna do crazy damage. So 5 of his hits won't do anything, which is amazing. Because 5 hits is a lot on this guy. Alright. Temple of Sticks. Okay. Okay, I have 2 Demeters. That's a big... Please have allow Poseidon. No! I only have 1 Poseidon. Well, that's unlucky. That's very unlucky. So that means I'm not going to be able to get the legendary. That sucks. What about... I think I'll go for Palm here. But on the other hand, is there anything good I can get from Aphrodite right now? Diamond. Life Affirmation wouldn't be bad because there's a heart chamber right there. Empty Inside isn't bad either. Yeah, okay. And then I also just less damage. I'm gonna go for Palm just first. And then I'll probably go for Poseidon. I'm not gonna lie. Because if I can get your knockaway effects and rupture foes, that would be good. Because I have attack also with Poseidon. So that's just constant. They'd constantly be taking even more damage, which is just good for me. You know, more damage equals I'm happy with more damage, you know? Yeah. Are you kidding me? I'm a disappointment. I'm a disappointment to my family. I'm dying. I seriously just used a fucking Death Defiance. I wanna die, man. No. 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 What is happening in these Styx chambers? Oh, no, I know why. I know why. It's because... Oh, damn, I already get... Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Why was there a Mega Voidstone? Oh, I have middle management on. I should never turn that on again. Oh, come on. I'm rolling. Yes! Okay. I honestly wouldn't mind taking Frost Flourish. Oh wait, no, I need it to get the legendary. Yeah, I need Frost Flourish. Alright, I'm gonna hope to God in heaven that I can get a well with Death Defiance, or a fountain chamber and a well with Death Defiance. And if not, man, just give me Norris Soul when I buy Demeter. Because, like, I personally wouldn't mind that. Norris Soul always is amazing. I want to try and no Boon run, but I don't have Sisyphus's keepsake maxed out, so it's going to take me a bit more time to max that out. Okay, I'll wait, no, I'm dealing crazy damage, but it's because of the size of these chambers, it's just so small. Let's go. Okay, that was really lucky. Oh, that's really tough. That's really tough. 35 damage or... I feel like I'm gonna be farther away from enemies, so I'm gonna want Razor Jaws. Okay, I'm not even at max health. This is really bad. Okay, I'm taking this. I got Winter Harvest. Let's go. I am proud of myself. And I got another Floodshot level. I think I'm gonna just go straight into the fight. Try my best. See what happens. Like, let's just see it in all its glory. Oh my god, that is the most overpowered thing I've ever seen. Okay. Okay, I got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. I recommend in Hades fight always use Meg at the start because and like get as close to him as you can and then use Meg, because if not, if you try to use it on other times, he might use his darkness thing where like he goes into the shadow realm. I don't know. He does some crazy shit. So an easier way to do that is just say, hey dad, I'm gonna use my powerful companion at the start of the fight, and then you'll take extra damage. Well, not extra damage, but you'll take a lot of damage. Okay, this is actually going kind of well. I'm taking a bit too much damage, and my shield's already down, which is not good. And oh my god, I'm actually garbage. Please, oh my, I was about to say, I thought it was going to use it on the enemy next to him. That would have pissed me off. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. There's actually no way. Damn it, I messed up those casts. Hey dad, hey dad, hey dad, hey dad, hey dad. Oh god, no, 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 no. Oh, I might actually get this. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. No! There's actually no way. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go cry in my bed. Goodbye. Goodbye.